Yeah. So, hello everyone. As you all know, I'm Divya. So, I want to go live today because there are so many reasons for which I want to do this live. First of all, let me clear this issue that I'm facing. From starting of this quarantine, I have been getting the threatened calls and threatened messages from the person, and I also want to clear this aspect from my side. Actually, to say I was in a relationship actually few years ago, like 2.5 years I have been in a relation, and I was like in a cloud nine, as everyone knows that when they are in a relation definitely they'll do so. And I was in a state too, and guys, I didn't even know that this is the person who is having this much of villainism, and he's a psychopath. Really, I didn't even expected that. After few reasons, after completing of that 2.5 years, you know due to my insecurities and my reasons, I have stopped being in that, and I plan to choose my own career and my own path. And there, I have started facing this kind of shits in my life. Really, that was fucking, that was really fucking hard for me to take all this because I don't deserve this kind of things. So I want to stand for myself, and I also want to educate every female in my account, because people won't be the same until the end. They definitely have to show their masks at one point of time. So also what I want to convey is that, first of all, I want to clear all the minds of my college students and also the members who are very close to me, because they are getting this kind of stupid messages regarding me, and also the stupid accounts they are creating on my name. I don't know for what they are doing. So let me clear this thing. Starting off this quarantine, I came to know, few facts, and I was really not able to believe them. And later on, and my family also knew that. I also said to them that this is what happening. That this is what happening in my life present, and they educated them. Sorry, and they educated me, and my family stood for me, and they also helped me to realize what I am doing. So with their help, I crossed that hill. I thought that that is the end thing, because my family also talked with them, and my family gave a clear sentence that my daughter is not going to that hell even more. So yeah, why can't I file a complaint? Because as you all know that I am a female, and I'm having insecurities. I was thinking about my family, what will happen to them, like that. Yeah, definitely, if this situation is going too hard, definitely I'll file a complaint against him. So coming to this incident, people, see, he's giving a threatening messages and threatening calls for me. I don't know what he wanted from my side. And the bad thing and the fucking thing is that my friend, some like, I don't want to mention name. He or she is helping him. I don't know what the hell he or she wants from my side, because I see that female is facing this kind of hell, and how could she help him? Because if she is in my stage, she definitely understand how much hell I'm going through, people. So I want to say to every female that you are really believing this kind of psychopaths in your life, please, please, please stay away from them. At first they'll be very smooth, and they'll be like a butter, like a makkan. After, when they are revealing their mask, you definitely come to know that they are really psychopaths in your life, definitely. So coming to my situation, he has targeted few members because he is having only those contacts. I don't know how he got them. He said that I collected those with help of someone. I don't know who is that someone. And yeah, my brother is in a department. Let me clear this. I also want to say that. So yeah, people, if you wanna laugh, just laugh, because you didn't even gone through this kind of shit. Because I'm the only person. Uh, So coming to this, he had few contacts and he is texting them. I don't know what he wants. He's saying that he wants justice itself. I don't know what kind of justice, because I have clearly mentioned that I'm done. I don't know why he want to target me, and I don't know why he want to target my family. He did what he want, and yet there is no response from my side, because I left like I don't want to go through that shit again and again. And after that, crossing that path, uh, he also created this fake account, Divya Vankailapati. I am not the one who is handling that account. I don't know why people are that much dumb, because I also, when he is having 8 followers, I mentioned that. Yeah, I mentioned that this is not my account. People, just please pay an attention that it is not my account. At 4 and 8 followers, I said this thing. I also mentioned everything has done. And later on, I don't know why the fucking people want to join in that Instagram. I don't know why the followers increased. Even I said this is what the thing happened, I don't know why people are not aware. The comedy part in this is that they are taking all the screenshots of that post and they are, publishing like a newspaper. They are publishing all the things. If you're a female, if you're facing this kind of situation, definitely you'll come to know that how much hard it will be for a female to take all those things. I'm studying in a women's college and I know how women think about another woman. Definitely we'll cross these kind of things when a female dressed up nicely. Definitely there will be some females who like poke them and who wants to tease them with their gang. And I'm studying in a women's college, and these people, what they are doing is they are screenshotting those posts and they are publishing like a newspaper, like a TV9. I don't know what they want from my side. If you want my failure, okay, I'm here to give my failure, because every person at 1% at one like at one position, they are failures. So I if you want my failure, definitely I'll give you. If you want anything from me, just say to me, definitely I'll give you. But there is no necessity for you to post all those things. People, just listen. If you want anything from me, just say me. And till now, people used to judge me that I'm very rude and I'm very attitude girl and all. People, I use that kind of fame in order to keep weeds away from me, because I thought that personality is my shield for me. Who is helping that girl? She's very innocent actually, so I don't think that she don't know what exactly happening from my side, because she is not even ready to hear about